If you want to turn your Galaxy Watch Ultra into an old classic watch and want to enable clock ticking sound, or maybe it's too loud and you want to disable this feature, we're going to show you how you can turn it on or off. But before we go, please make sure not all watch face supports the ticking noise. For that, especially, you will have to select an analog watch with 2 hands. To activate the ticking noise, swipe down your watch face from Settings, enter Sounds and Vibration. First of all, make sure your watch is not on mute mode. Select Sound, now scroll down and enter System Sound. First of all, from here, you can turn up or down the system sound. Go back, scroll down, and here you can enable the clock ticking sound. Now when it's enabled, whenever you bring the watch closer to your ear, you will hear the ticking sound. But if you find it loud during nighttime, you can turn it off right from here. And that's how you can turn on and off clock ticking sound on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.